sideways. You hungry? You hungry? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Say good morning.
Good morning.
As you already saw, I got up, made my bed, worked out, took a shower.
You worked out?
I did. I worked. You were still sleeping. And got ready for the day. We already got Austin on the bus. Now we are just going to pack Layton up her lunch so we can get her to school. And then we have a grocery pickup to do at Walmart, so I'll share a grocery haul with you and just kind of spending the day together. So if you guys enjoy these day in the life videos, don't mind the mess. All the breakfast dishes are still not picked up, but if you guys like these day in the life videos, I try to put like some cleaning motivation, some grocery hauls, meal plan, all that kind of stuff mixed in, so that way it's, I don't know, I'm not like that exciting. There's not that much that I'm doing. So, but let me know if you guys like day in the life videos because I love doing them. It's like we get to like hang out together and all of that. So if you do, let me know. Make sure you guys subscribe and we're gonna get Layton packed up. I'm gonna make myself something quick to eat for breakfast. I was gonna make like bacon, eggs in the whole thing, but I really don't have time. So I'm gonna find something quick to eat and then we will be on our way. I've been trying to find a dress, like just a plain black t-shirt dress. And this one is so cute. It has like that little elasticy part right here. So it's very flattering. And I got it at Old Navy. It's just like a regular straight neck. Super cute. It's, you know, I don't know, it's just very plain. There's no pockets or anything. I keep feeling like there should be pockets, so I keep going to put my hand in there. But it's super, super cute. So it's actually like the sun went in, so it's a tiny bit chilly. So I'm gonna just pair it with my jean jacket, and I have like a pair of brown flip-flops. I feel like this is such a cute outfit, and you can literally wear this all year round. Obviously, you can pair the black dress with literally anything, but you can wear it in the summer with flip-flops. You can wear it in the fall with boots. You can wear it in the winter with like tights and boots. Spring, obviously. So cute. Like it's such like a basic bee outfit, but I decided to just grab a coffee and my water, and I'll eat when I get back from the grocery pickup at Walmart because I want like my yummy breakfast and I don't want to have to, like, I took out the blender to make a protein shake and I had one yesterday and I'm not in the mood. I want real food. So I will just have breakfast when I get back. Well, they are running super behind. So I'm just sitting here working on like some description boxes and stuff like that for a video that's going up today and all of that. So just trying to make good use of my time. I would run over to Old Navy, but they don't open till 10 and it's only 9:15. So there's like a ton of other cars here waiting too. So I'm hoping it's not gonna be too long, but I don't know. It's sometimes the downfall of grocery pickup. Alright, so I am home now. I had breakfast because I was absolutely starving and my best friend called me, so I was talking to her. But I'm going to share with you my Walmart haul. They were actually out of a ton of stuff. I got vitamins they didn't have. What else? My rice cakes. I ordered a bunch of rice cakes because the kids and I love rice cakes. They were out of them. They only gave me like a tiny bit of grapes. Like I ordered a couple pounds of grapes and there's like a handful in there. And there was a couple of other random things. But I have some of the things I needed, so we'll go with that. So we were out of Shout, so I grabbed one of these and then just the big one to be able to, whoops, focus. There we go. A big one of these just so I can fill it up. So we have both of those. Grabbed a watermelon, grabbed 2 organic strawberries, grabbed one of my coffees, some egg whites, bag of Macintosh apples, some grapes, like I said, only a teeny tiny bit in there, some of these Good Thins gluten-free crackers. Oh, for 18, yeah, the calories are pretty good on this. So I don't know why my camera is not focusing, but I grabbed some of those. This is like my favorite lettuce. Aside from lettuce, it's in my garden, but I eat salads every day, so I go through a ton of lettuce. So, and I also like this for my sandwiches, so I wrap this up in my sandwiches. And then I got some of these yogurts. We always get the Oikos 000, the orange cream flavor. I got some of these sweet petite carrots for dipping. And I got 2 of those, and then I got these, which I was so excited about. These are like my absolute favorite, the coffee chocolate chip. And then I tried this one, so we'll see how this one is. The only thing, this one is 140 calories, but it's fine. So I'm gonna put all of this away, and then I just have some cleaning to do.
Saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you.
So I have about 15 minutes before I have to go out to the bus to get Austin, so I am just working on another video. I'm putting together my summer like capsule wardrobe, minimalist wardrobe. So this is the bin that I keep up in the attic that I have like work stuff that I saved, like my winter clothes, so like all of my heavy sweaters are in there, but my shorts and stuff were in there. So I had my husband pull that out, so I'm just kind of putting together some outfits and all of that, so you'll have a little sneak peek of that video. Just kind of planning for it. I'm not filming it today, but just kind of putting some outfits together, seeing what I have. I put in a Target order for a few plain tops. Like I wear this white skirt a lot with like a plain black top, but the black top that I have, I got bleach on it. It's like my favorite shirt. They're like $5 shirts from Target, the Wild Fable ones, but they were completely out of stock in the store. So I had to order them and they're being sent here. I think they'll be here like tomorrow or Friday, I think. So you'll see that video probably next week, but I'm going to work on that until we walk out to the bus stop.
Get to know you, just wanna get to know you. I know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you.
So we just got home from picking up Layton at school. Austin is at a friend's house for a little bit, and then we're off to Brendan's game. But I stopped at the grocery store just to get a couple of the things that I wasn't able to get at Walmart this morning. And then a few more things, obviously. Austin wanted gum, so Layton picked these as her little treat. We got this for Austin, sugar-free bubble gum. And thank you, Layton. Do you want to say what else we got?
What?
You want to come say what else we got?
Yeah.
All right. What's there?
Chocolate donuts.
And what else?
Powder donuts.
Okay, come over here and show me.
This.
Talk like you.
And this.
Yep, what about this stuff?
Chocolate
Like
bars.
granola bars?
Granola bars.
Mentos.
Mentos.
What did we go on the hunt for?
Rice cakes.
Those our favorite?
Yes.
And we got some chocolate ones to try. And I got the, do you know what these are, Layton?
Turkey.
Turkey? No, they're steaks. They're these 100% grass-fed steaks. So we got those to try. And
My favorite. Veggie sticks. Wait, Mama.
what?
Same picture on the front.
That's right, it's the same company. All right, let's go, let's put away.
Yes.
What is that called, do you remember?
Avocado.
Avocado? Good job.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love.
Alright, so we are off to Brennan's lacrosse game, but watering, cleaning done. The laundry Kevin's actually folding right now because he got out of work a little bit early, so he met us at home instead of at the game. So I obviously can't film at the game, but other than that, we'll just come home and have dinner, so it will be a nice quiet night. But I hope you guys enjoyed this day in the life video. And like I said earlier, let me know if you guys enjoy these videos. I'd love to do more of them if it is something that you guys like, and just like you get to like kind of hang out and all that good stuff. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.